Let's talk about Monday.com dashboard. So these are actually powerful feature that allows you to create visual, customizable, and interactive displays of your work data. So for you to be able to have a dashboard onto your workspace, you'll just need to click onto here. In the left side, you have here the add item to workspace, this plus button. So if you click onto that, you'll have the option in here to see the new dashboard. So let's simply click onto that to add in a dashboard, and you could write in a dashboard name. So we could just leave it as it is as new dashboard. And here onto the privacy, you could change it from main to private. So if you change it from private, you could work onto this privately alone or with selected team members. So let's just leave it as it main and then click on create dashboard. Now, here's what the dashboard actually look like. So with this one, you can gain insights, track progress, and monitor key metrics at a glance. So you can add in various widgets to your dashboard to represent different aspects of your project and task, making it a central hub for managing and analyzing your work. So as you can see here under the first step that we have as a guide from Monday.com, so you could connect boards onto this dashboard. So you could choose a board to use as a data source for this dashboard. So let's click onto choose boards in here. So we actually have two boards, the social media planner and the project management. So let's use this social media planner and click onto done. So right after that, you can see that there is a connected board already since it says that there is one connected board. So the next step that we have in here is to add in a widget to this dashboard. So this will visualize your data using charts, timelines, and many more. So let's click on got it and then add it. And here are the different widgets that it offers. So if you use this widget, it will visually show data from your boards, numbers, get a quick view on all number columns, battery, your progress at a glance. So if you use Gantt chart, you could plan, track, and present your project visually using the Gantt chart, files gallery, manage and collaborate on your files with your team and apps. So there are actually more widgets in there. Just you could just simply click onto that to explore the different widgets or the widget center. So there are different categories for the widgets. We have staying on top, motivation, media, personal, apps by Monday, marketplace apps. So let's try to add in a widget onto that dashboard. So let's try to add this battery so that we could see our progress. So let's click on add widget. And as you can see, we have here the different colors. So you could actually drag this widget. You could just simply click onto these buttons in here. So you could drag it like that so that you could place it where you like. And this three dots in here is the more options. So you could view this battery onto full screen. So as you can see, these are the different indicators for the colors. So this or that, fill in the blank, favorite, good morning or good night, the questions, the humor, inspiration, and empty. So if you're wondering where we've got all of these details in here, so these are actually from the board that we have connected. So there is a search bar also in here onto the battery, so you could save the changes as well if you have made some changes onto this widget. So you could click onto this person as well to filter it by person, and you could filter by anything. Simply click onto this drop down menu wherein you have the option in here to add in a column, a condition, a value, and you can add in new filters as well. So here onto the right side, you have here the display type. You can have it on split mode. So let's have it on battery. We have it on table as well. So this is what the table look like. So we have this on our board. So this is actually what it look like in the split mode. So we have the battery as well together with the board or the table type. So you have here the settings also in here. So here onto the setting, you could choose which status columns to include. So we could add in some content category in here. You could change it to design status, Facebook posting, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, as per your liking. So make sure to click onto which you prefer. So we have more settings options as well in here. So you could add in a completion label, so you could add in done. You could choose a number column to add weight to items as well. And here onto the boards, you could choose which boards to show into your widget. So we have chosen that one already, and you can add in more boards for this widget as well. Simply click onto this, and also you could choose groups. So here onto the choose groups, the group that we have chosen from the board social media planner is just month one. So you can add in top group as well in here. You could just simply click onto that one. So here onto this three dots onto the more options. So if you click onto it, we could exit the full screen. You could see the settings. We could rename this one. So let's try to rename that one out. Let's just simply click onto it and change this to progress. And you have successfully changed it already. So you can also duplicate this specific widget. So as you can see, we successfully duplicated that one. So let's head back to our dashboard. And we have here two batteries already, or progress, since we have renamed it. So for you to delete this one, so we could just simply click onto this, click onto delete, and you have successfully removed that one out. So there is an option also for you here onto this dashboard to have this one onto favorite. So you'll just need to simply click onto add onto favorite so that you could see this onto your favorites. So actually here onto the right side, you have the dashboard's help if you still have any confusions, and you could share this to your different team members. Click on to share and you'll have the option to share it to your dashboard members, or you could invite by email or link. And if you click on these three dots, you could have this dashboard on a present mode, live data where you can edit board data in real time, or you could faster load time and smoother experience onto live data off or data is read only. So you could change the type to private in here, rename this dashboard, duplicate it, export it to PDF, and also delete this one. And that's how you navigate through dashboard here onto Monday.com.